Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I have a new camera that I got from Value Village just last week. I kind of gave up on it and thought that it's not gonna work, but before anything else, I'd like to tell you this is the Chinon Bellami camera, and it's made in Japan. Pretty cool. So it has this barn door entrance, and this is how you open it. Backstory is I just saw it in the electronics rack and thought that it's not working at all, so I just put battery inside of it and hope for the best. So I opened it like this for a few days, and when I checked it this morning and checked the flash, not the flash, the shutter, I was surprised that it did work. Yeah, did you hear that? Yeah, it does work. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, so that's why I'm kind of surprised. So, and because it works now, I'm gonna try it out with Pan 400. So I'm heading out to downtown Ottawa because I'm gonna pick up another camera as well from Facebook Marketplace. So I'll give you an update later. Okay, see ya. So an update for this camera is I did a shot in Ottawa downtown, but I didn't use the Pan 400. Instead, I used the Fujifilm Superior X400, and it does work. The only thing is I didn't bring the flash because it's quite temperamental at the moment, and I have to wait for, I guess, 20 seconds for it to work. But then, yeah, the only thing I have problem with this camera is that the counter, I should show you, counter here, it doesn't work. So I don't know how many shots were left when I was doing the shoot. So I just kind of lost. But other than that, it does work. And it uses two LR44 batteries. Speaking of which, this is what it looked like. Battery, yeah. The LR44. Put that back in the camera bag here. So how it works is, okay, I'm just gonna remove the flash first. By the way, the flash uses a AA battery. Let's close it. Sorry about my nails. There we go. And so you lift this thing up, and yeah, that's open. There, you put the film. Okay, let's see if I have a sample film. Hold on a second. Okay, I got my tester film. I speed up the video a little bit to show you how to do it, but it's basically the same like all film camera. You gotta put it in there, adjust the film counter, and then to shoot, just find your distance. It's either in feet or in meters, and yeah, you're good to go. And that's how it's done. Okay, I just want to show you guys how I really love this antique camera bag that I have. Oh, hold on, let me hold the camera while I open this thing. So old and all dusty and stuff, but that's where I put my camera gears in here and there, my batteries and stuff. But I tried to sell it, but they didn't like it, and then I just decided to keep it for myself because it's such a Nice and reliable bag. Anywho, I digress. See you later.